Hello besties and welcome to today's video. I'm gonna show you how to make your short nails look like long natural nails. You ready? So starting off, I sprayed my hands with some rubbing alcohol and I'm pushing back the cuticles. If you're new here or if you still haven't subscribed, I would highly suggest you did so. I got a lot for you. With my e-file, I'm getting rid of all the dead skin on the cuticle line. This will help the extension stick to your natural nail better. And I'm taking my sandband and tickling the nail. This also helps with the adhesion, but make sure you don't overdo it because you don't want to remove the top parts of your natural nail. Coffee time. With my nail clippers, I'm cutting my nails as short as I possibly can. And with my cuticle scissors, I'm cutting off all the dead skin. I'm filing my nails down to make sure I have a nice smile line. And now with some cleanser, I'm taking out all the remaining dust. We're gonna do some hard gel today. I'm taking a clear hard gel to use it as a barrier between my manicure and my actual nail because I want to be able to change my nails. I'm putting some dehydrator and some primer. And now I'm making a thin layer first on all of my nails. And then I'm sure every nail has an even coat on it. You should be left with something like this, and you'll be curing this for 60 seconds. Now over the hard gel, I'm going to be putting some peel-off coat so that I can pop my nails as I told you. Editing style from the future here. Just because there were no oils between the hard gel and the extension, there was no lifting, they didn't pop. So we'll cure this for another minute, and this is what you're left with. The tips we're going to be using are some medium almond style, pretty close to the normal natural nail. Instead of roughing up your extensions, you can also put primer. I'm securing my extensions with some rubber-based gel. So I'm pushing the extension towards my natural nail, making sure there are no air bubbles because that's going to cause lifting. And I'm putting it close to my flash curing light. Here there was some excess on my cuticles, so I'm scraping it off before I completely cure it. But obviously you don't want anything cured on your actual skin because that can cause a lot of allergies. And this is what they look like. We're gonna give it another full minute of curing. I'll do my right hand very fast and I'll come back to you. So I have the extensions on both of my hands. And now I'll file them and erase where the fake nail meets my cuticle line. So this part is done. Now I'm gonna buff the surface so that I make them matte and cleanse them. This way whatever polish you put on them will stick to it, adhere to it. I chose this milky hard gel for replicating my nail color. I had a lot of trial and error before that, so this kind of looked right, so I continued. I'm making the layer as thin as I can and as even as I can because this is not very opaque. I cure this. And now I'll be focusing on the bottom part. We don't want it to look like a French tip, so I'm gonna ombre it towards my nail bed. And you won't be able to really see where the nail starts to grow. It really helped like flushing it upwards. Ta-da! In my opinion, this looked better than what I did after. But if you have a color that really matches your skin tone, that can turn out really good. So I had this very sheer coral skin color and I tried it all over the nail, believing that it's gonna make the transition from nude to white pretty. And now that I see it, it's not that bad, but I decided to just swipe it off on the free edge. And I faked a little longer nail bed as well. I am wiping the free edge on every nail with a lint-free wipe and some cleanser on it. And then I am top coating it with a non-wipe top coat that doesn't leave any yellow residue. And here's what it looks like. We're putting some cuticle oil because we love our fingers, and I'm making sure I put it under my nails too. This smells like pineapples. Rub, and there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you like how it looks. I really enjoyed the process and I rocked these nails for a good while. So please make sure to like this video, it really helps me a lot, and make sure you subscribe to see more content. Bye! She addicted to the manicures and coffee. But don't say that, cause she ain't that. No, she is more than she seems. She addicted to the manicures and coffee. But don't say that, cause she ain't that. No, she is more than